Good morning, students. Last day we have discussed the summary of the prose 3 questions. Today we will start reading the text. But before reading the text, I would like to recap the summary once again. The story revolves around a king who wanted to become a successful ruler. He once thought that if he knew the answers of 3 questions, he would become a better ruler and he would never fail. So, what are the 3 questions? Do you remember? Yes, the 3 questions are: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? So he sent messengers throughout his kingdom and promised to give a large sum of money as reward to the person who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men tried, but as different people answered differently, the king was not satisfied at all, and so he gave no reward. Therefore, he decided to seek the advice of hermit, who was widely known for his wisdom. The king went to him to seek the answers, just like an ordinary man. But the hermit turned a deaf ear to his questions at first. Suddenly, a wounded man came there. The hermit and the king took care of him. Next day, the king came to know that the wounded man was his enemy, and he came there to kill the king. As the king put his brother to death and seized his property. But as the king was late to come from the hermit's place, he came out of his hidden place. At that time, King's guard recognized him and wounded him. But as the king saved his life, he wanted to serve the king. Being pleased with him, the king also promised to give him back his property. And finally, the king had made peace with him, with his enemy. So, again, when the king went to the hermit to seek the answers of those 3 questions, the hermit made the king understand that most important time is now. Most important person is the person with whom you are at that time, and the most important thing to do is to do good to all. And the hermit made the king understand all these things through the incident. Now we will start reading the text. 3 questions. Part 1. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were underline, okay? What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So, what happened? Now, once upon a time, a certain king thought that he would never fail. He would be never in trouble if he knew the answers to these 3 questions. What are these three questions? What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? So, what did the king do? The king sent messengers throughout his kingdom and promised that he would give a large sum of money to the person as a reward who would answer these questions correctly. As a result, what happened we will see next. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Now we know that as different people think differently, so they also give answers differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way they said, could he do everything at its proper time? So, some wise men suggested that the king should make a timetable and he should follow it, just like we do in our school and at our home, right? Okay. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Now, some suggest that one cannot decide in advance what will be the right time to do anything. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. Now, some people suggested that the king should make a council of wise men for taking the decision when to do or when to begin something in order to decide the right time for doing something. Okay. Next, then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only the magician could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. Now, some wise men suggested that there are certain things that is needed to do currently, and so the king cannot depend upon the council. So, in that case, the king should look for the person, for the magician who could look into the future. So, these are the answers by the wise men in answer to the first question. Now, in answer to the second question, what the wise people have said, we will look. In their answers to the second question, some people said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Okay. Underline counselors, priest, doctors, soldiers. Now, do you remember what was the second question? The second question was, which people should he listen to? In answer to this question, some suggested counselor, some suggested priest, some suggested doctors, and some suggested soldiers. Now, next. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Now, what is the third question? The third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? So, in answer to the third question, some said science, underline science, some said fighting, underline fighting, and some said religious worship, underline it. So, in answer to the third question, these are the answers that the king get from the wise people. Next, as the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now we see that different people give different answers, so the king was not satisfied at all. As he is not satisfied, he did not give any reward to anyone. Therefore, the king decided to seek the advice of hermit, who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw No one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. Now, do you know who is a hermit? Hermit is a religious person who lives in solitude. Now, as hermits leads very simple life, the king decided that he would go to him just like an ordinary people. And so the king went there without his horse and bodyguard. The king also wore simple cloth because we know that if we have to interact with somebody, we have to be at their level. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. Now, when the king went to the hermit, he was digging the ground. Now, what the king does, he asks the three questions. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer these three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. Now what happened? When the king went to the hermit, we know that the hermit was digging the ground. Now what does the king do? He asks the three questions. He says the hermit that he is there to get answer to these three questions, and he desperately seeks the hermit's advice. But what happened? But what happened to the king was totally contrary to his expectation. The hermit did not pay attention to him. Rather, the hermit went on digging the land. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So, the king had no other option. He offered the hermit help in digging, as he saw the hermit was digging for a long time and he was breathing heavily. And as soon as the king offered for help, the hermit readily accepted it. And the hermit sat down on the ground. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, Now you rest and let me work. After digging for some time, the king was also tired. He stopped digging and asked his question. But the hermit did not reply. Rather, the hermit stood up and stretched his hand for the spade, and he advised the king to take rest and let him work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But the king did not give up. He kept on digging. So he did not give him the spade. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I come to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Now, the king became very impatient after working for a long time, because the basic goal of the king was to get the answer. Now, again he asked the hermit to answer to his questions and told him if he did not know the answer, he must let him know. so that the king returned home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. At the time, someone was coming towards them running. Now, who is the person who is coming towards them running? We will learn in the next video. Now, let's do the answer of the comprehension check. The first question. Why did the king want to know answer to 3 questions? The answer is the king wanted to know the answer to the 3 questions because he thought that he would never fail once he knew the answer to the questions. The second question. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom to fetch wise men, to find answer to the questions, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Mark your choice. The answer must be to find answer to the questions. Okay, thank you.